Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Chandra Pedaraitla. I'm going to do a reading for the month of May 2020 for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. I'm going to see what cards will come out for you, Libra. Hope you're doing great, hope you're safe. Okay. Wow. It's a wonderful start, Libra, for us. I'm a Libra too. We got Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is the finances, the money, working on finances, planning for the future, what goals you have, working on that. And also Six of Pentacles speaks about growth. Something which you have invested long before, now you're getting the results for that. That is Six of Pentacles. And also it suggests that focus on your goals, write down what your goals are and have a plan and execute it right now. That's the universe telling. And that's the Six of Pentacles. And it's a wonderful card to come out as the starting of the reading. First card is the strongest, so keep that in mind. Six of Pentacles also shows that you might be receiving a gift, not for everyone, but some of you. You might be receiving multiple gifts also. Okay, that was a flyer. Wow, interesting. You got Son of Pentacles. So a lot of Pentacles energy at the starting of the reading itself. Six of Pentacles and Son of Pentacles, great way to start the reading. So you're completely working on your money, finances, because Pentacles is all about growth of money and finances. Son of Pentacles is also something that you're starting something new with regards to your money. You want to start something new where you can earn a lot of money. Son of Pentacles also speaks about your learning how to make money also. You might be reading books, you might be watching videos on how to make money, how to start a new business. So that is Son of Pentacles. I'm pretty sure for few Libras, for most of the Libras, they want to start a new business and they are learning how to start this. This might be second. You might be having a business already, and this is the second one which you're thinking to start, and that's very good. And guess what, Libra is all about that. Son of Pentacles is a slow moving card, so remember that if you're learning something, learn slowly, and universe also makes you help in this situation. So when you learn slowly, you can grasp the information fast. People think that when things are going slow, it's going fast. It's a learning process, so it has to go slow. Wow, oh my god, what wonderful cards. Wow, we got two here. These cards literally flipped out. First I saw the Sun. Back of the Sun there was Daughter of Wands. So definitely a surprise is coming for you, Libra. One thing is, it definitely makes you happy and you'll be in this happy, positive situation, positive state, positive frequency, and suddenly another thing comes and that will literally blow you away, is what I'm saying. And it might be anything. The surprise might be anything. It might be that someone close to you might be expressing their feelings also, or someone from your past who has not yet spoken to you for a long time, one close friend of yours is gonna text you or contact you, is what I'm seeing. And these two things will bring you a lot of happiness, Libra. Sun is the most positive card in tarot, so what wonderful reading this is. I'm very happy I'm a Libra too. So be grateful for the happiness what you get. This is a gift for you. So always be grateful, always be thankful for what you receive. So a lot of Libras, they are spirit guides in the form of birds. As you can see, this sun has 4 birds. So spirit guides might be communicating with you in the form of a bird. So they might come in the form of a bird is what I'm saying. And even me, just in recent days, I fed few pigeons. You can check out the picture. Daughter of Wands, oh wow. Few Libras might be playing games is what I'm seeing, computer games. Because you have wands and swords, I see it as 2 things which are fighting. Even before this card just came out, I just psychically got a message that you guys might be playing video games, online games. So that might be significant. Also, a Son of Swords suggests that again someone who has not yet communicated with you is gonna come back. They're gonna communicate with you, and this will bring you a lot of happiness, Libra. This might be a very old friend of yours, someone who knew very well, who were a very close friend of yours is going to come back. They're going to communicate with you, and this will happen fast. Okay. It also suggests that they might have actually seen you learning things, and they might come to you and congratulate you, just to say that you have grown a lot, because you got 6 of Pentacles. So they might say like, listen Libra, you have grown a lot, I have to learn from you as well. So that's something what I'm seeing. Interesting. So not only this person, many people see your success and they are admired of you, Libra. But this person definitely comes to you and they're gonna congratulate you. They also want to learn how to build this kind of career for themselves as well. So they're looking for your advice, Libra. This might be an air sign or fire sign is what I'm seeing. It might be a female or a male also. Daughter and Swords. Okay. So they might be fiery in nature, or they might be having air signs in their chart. Wow. Okay. That was a little messy. I'm gonna do it again. Show us clearly. Wow. Wow, Libra, you got Daughter of Pentacles. Surprising. Because you got Daughter of Wands here. And you got Daughter of Wands and Daughter of Pentacles. Also you got Son of Pentacles and Son of Swords in the reading. So 2 sons and 2 daughters. Definitely I feel like you might be having a sibling. If you're a male, you might be having a female sibling, or if you're a female, you might be having a male sibling, is what I'm seeing. Also, if you're a male, lot of female friends gonna contact you, and if you're a female, lot of male friends are gonna contact you, is what I'm seeing. These are very close friends. These are your soul tribe also. And I also see that Daughter of Pentacles is stable, something which is solid. It is earth. And I believe because of this lockdown, a lot of your close friends are going to contact you and just say to you that look, you're doing very good, Libra. You're utilizing the time, because you can see 6 of Pentacles is the growth and Son of Pentacles is you. These two are you. and you're slow moving but you're growing rapidly is what I'm seeing. That's interesting. And people are just admired of your work. And a lot of your close friends, again what I said is, a lot of your close friends are going to appreciate you for the work you're doing, and they also want to learn from you is what I'm seeing. Interesting. If you are having a sibling, they are definitely a female sibling. If you are having a female sibling, they're going to definitely help with regards to your career, with regards to your business, what you're trying to achieve. They're definitely going to give a hand for you, a helping hand. Wow. Whoa. I saw 2 cards. Okay, I saw the Lovers and I saw Ace of Cups. Wow. Wow, this is a wonderful reading, Libra. If you're a tarot reader, you can just definitely know. These cards are really beautiful. The Sun. Let me tell you. Look how beautiful is that. The Sun, the Ace of Cups, and the Lovers card. These 3 cards are enough for the reading to be so positive. No matter if you get 3 of Swords also, it doesn't matter, because the positive energy which generates with the Sun card, Ace of Cups and Lovers card, it defeats everything in tarot. 6 of Pentacles also, another small positive energy there. Definitely a small positive energy there. So first I saw the Lovers card, then it was Ace of Cups. So definitely I believe that for people who are seeking love, for sure they are gonna come to you and share their feelings to you, because Ace of Cups and Lovers card, if these 2 cards come out next to each other, it definitely signifies that there is a love connection here, definitely a deep soulmate connection, twin flame also. So this person definitely wants to express their feelings towards you is what I'm seeing. That's interesting. And also you can see Lovers card, Ace of Cups and Sun, they actually form a L shape, and this L shape is reverse, because when you're doing the spread, it definitely is the mirror. Tarot is the mirror of the moment. So this L is actually love, but it is reverse. Okay, the Lovers, Ace of Cups and Sun, it is reverse because it is the mirror of the moment. Okay, that's very interesting, Libra. Again, this reading resonates with Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. Rising signs, this will be very accurate. For Sun signs, you got Sun. Sun signs is gonna resonate with the soul level. Okay. Moon is the physical, Moon is the emotions, and Ascendant will be your physical manifestations. So Mother of Swords is the next card. Interesting. So, wow, Ace of Cups next to the Mother of Swords. Very interesting, Libra. If you're a female, if you're married, definitely you're gonna be a mother soon. So that means you're gonna have a baby, and that the baby what you receive is definitely, chances are that you will receive twins, because Lovers card, there are 2 birds here. Definitely you're gonna receive twin. For most of the Libras who are females who are married, they're gonna receive a baby who is a twin. That's very interesting, Libra. Congratulations if you're becoming a mother. Ace of Cups, guys, next to the Sun card. Emotions, it's like, it's top and down here. It's as above so below. It's definitely because how can I say this? Yeah, definitely as above so below. Definitely your emotions is gonna get you're gonna feel happy again after a long time is what I'm seeing. Yeah, definitely after a long time, Maybe you have been waiting for this person to reply or contact you, and they're gonna do it this month, Libra. Wow, it's interesting. Whoa, I actually saw this card. 7 of Wands. So for people who are going to receive a baby in the month of May, you want your child to outstand everybody in the society. You want your son to actually stand out in the crowd, stand out in the society, and become a good leader. A great leader is what I'm seeing. And also you might be teaching your you might be wanting to teach your baby, wanting to teach your child when he grows up how to have leadership skills, how to stand out in the crowd. And definitely I feel like that is definitely gonna happen, Libra. Your son is definitely gonna stand out in the crowd. He's gonna become a leader. He will definitely have leadership skills. He might be actually having a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. He might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And this is definitely you, Swords, Libra. It's an air sign. Wow. Actually, it's a very interesting reading, Libra. Compared to the April reading what we did, this May reading is definitely different. It's very unique also. Yes, as I said, I just remembered now. In the April reading, I said the past is returning back. So someone is returning back. I've just told you. Even in this reading, it is that significant person what I mentioned in the previous reading. That person is gonna definitely share their emotions with you. And also, you got Mother of Swords also. For people who are not married, they're going to get married with this person. That might be significant, and have a child who will stand out in the crowd. For people who are married, definitely you're going to have a baby who might be a twin, and you also want this baby to actually stand out in the crowd and have those leadership qualities, and that is definitely going to happen. And the communication part from this person, it's going to happen very fast, Libra. So make sure you're listening carefully what they are saying, and also don't I feel like you're very guarded when this person comes back to you. I feel like you're just guarded. You're not as open as receiving the love what they're giving. You might be very guarded. So watch out for that. But they're definitely gonna come fast, Libra. At the bottom of the deck, whoa. At the bottom of the deck you have 7 of Swords. Interesting. Yeah, I got it. The bottom of the deck always represents the overall outcome of the reading. But also bottom of the deck, you have to remember that the card which appears in the bottom of the deck is actually your deep inner feeling which you're having. So this is what you're having, Libra, is what I'm seeing. You are having the 7 of Swords, meaning that you're feeling scared. You are actually feeling that this person who is gonna come back and communicate with you, who are sharing their feelings, you are thinking that they're actually having another plan with them. You are feeling that they actually want to betray you, they actually want you to feel sad, or they are thinking to take a revenge in a way. You're feeling that way, Libra. But I feel like this person actually has true feelings for you, because you got Ace of Cups. On top of that, it was Son of the Sun. So major arcanas, definitely you got the Sun, the Lovers, 2 major arcanas which are definitely so positive. And wow. And the bottom of the deck, it's like you're actually scared that this person is lying, this person is definitely cheating, they are actually taking revenge on me. This is what you're feeling deep inside. But what the universe is saying is that they actually have true feelings for you. Okay, I don't know if they are lying, or if they want to take revenge, but they're definitely not lying. They do have feelings for you. The revenge part, you have to wait and see how it goes on. I'm not here to tell you that they are not taking revenge, but sometimes your inner feelings also might, this is actually a gut feeling, okay, and also sometimes your gut feeling also says something. It might be true also, so that, be open with that also, Libra. And yeah, so this is the reading all I have for you, Libra. It's a very unique reading. I'm very surprised to see this Sun card, Lovers card, and Ace of Cups come out, and even Mother of Swords. I'm very happy for people who are having a baby. Congratulations. Let me know if you are having a baby or if you are pregnant. Wow, this is actually wonderful reading, Libra. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you didn't watch my coronavirus prediction for the year 2020, click on the eye icon here. You can find it there. And if you have any queries, you can comment down below. I'll be free to answer your questions. And yeah, this is a wonderful reading, Libra. I'll see you guys in another video. If you didn't subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. Don't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna make a lot more videos for you guys, and I'll see you guys there in the next video. Alright, Libra, thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.